Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. It's Bella here. In today's tutorial, I created this makeup look for you guys. So if you want to see how I achieved the look, then just keep on watching. And if you guys want to be entered in this month's giveaway, then make sure that you go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to our channel. Make sure that you hit that bell button and turn your post notifications on so that you never ever miss a video. And then if you are located in the United States, then go ahead and comment "done" down below to be automatically entered. So the first thing that I did was I grabbed my Too Faced Born This Way concealer and I used it as an eyeshadow primer. So I just applied it all over my eyelid, and I really like using this as a primer because it's so full coverage that it cancels out any discoloration on my eyelid, and then it just makes the eyeshadow stay on a lot longer. And I always blend it out with a damp beauty sponge, and then I set everything in place with translucent powder. And the palette that I went in with is the Blue Moon palette from ColourPop, and this is pretty much my go-to palette whenever I am creating a blue look because it just has all the amazing mattes and shimmers, so it just makes it super easy. And the first shade that I went in with is the shade Moonlight, and I just put that in my crease going in back and forth motions as my transition shade. Next, I wanted to add some more depth in the crease, so I just grabbed the shade Fine China, and it's a little bit of a deeper matte blue shade. And I picked up a defined angled brush just to really be precise of where I want the eyeshadow. And I typically put it a little bit above my actual crease so that when I open the eye, it just hugs the eye socket so that you could see the shades that I have in my crease when my eye is open or closed. And then I went into the shade Starry Eyed, and I just put that in my crease, blending out that line, going in back and forth motions. And that's typically what I do when I add depth in the crease. I go in with a defined brush and then I go in with a fluffier brush, and that just helps with control and placement. And then I went into Starry Eyed once again, and I just started to add depth in the outer lid area. So you'll just see me patting it on the outer portion of my eyelid. And then I went into the shade Fine China, which is the darker shade that I used in my crease. And I just put that on the outer lid as well, just to really start deepening it up. And this just gives the look a lot more dimension. And almost like a smoky effect. And then going back into my Too Faced Born This Way concealer, I wanted to clean up the lid area just to make that lid portion pop. And I just wanted it to be a little bit more sharp, so I just put that all over the inner lid, kind of avoiding the outer lid because I don't want to mess up those eyeshadows that we just applied. And then for on the lid, I went in with my Makeup Forever Starlit Powder in the shade 13, and I grabbed my NYX Glitter Primer. It's definitely optional to apply a glitter primer, but I feel like this is such a loose pigment that I didn't want it to just go everywhere. I just wanted it to be on the lid and just grab that pigment. I wanted the glitter glue to grab the pigment and just make it a lot easier to work with. And I just packed that pigment on my lid. And then for lashes, I went in with my Sophie Bella lashes in the style Bora Bora. And yeah, we appreciate you guys so much for checking out our lashes. And for those of you guys that support our brand, we appreciate you guys, and it doesn't go unnoticed. I will always leave a link in the description box down below where you guys can check out our lashes if you guys are interested. And I put some black liner in my waterline, and then I went in with Moonlight once again just to add depth on the lower lashes. And then I picked up Fine China and I just put that really close to my lash line. And then I went back into the shade Moonlight once again just to blend everything out. And then the last thing that I did was I applied some lower lash mascara, and this is the finished look, guys. I really hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, please make sure to give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you guys so much for all of your love and support, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!